Ciao, amici. We're out for a little cruise this afternoon. I'm out with Chike tonight. There he is, there in his new Aprilia. I don't know what he named her yet. We'll find out later. He's shaking his head because he can hear me on the car door. Hey Chike, you don't want to say hi?
No.
To all your friends?
I'm caught?
To all your friends, say hi.
I'm camera shy.
You're not shy. That's why he's got the tinted mirror there so nobody can see his face. It's Chike's ride, so I have no idea where he's going, or I don't
either.
He doesn't know where he's going. That's even better. At least it's not bad as Iggy, the blind leading the blind there. Iggy just likes to drive in traffic. That's all I know.
Traffic's fun.
Keeping up with Chike.
What?
I said it's the fun part of keeping up with you.
I'm not even going fast. I was only going like 85.
35, you said?
85.
Oh yeah, 85, I know.
Yeah, that's not fast.
No, not at all. I'm just fucking with you. All these people making a right. I always wanted to touch the trucks one day.
I do too.
My mirror must have moved. I couldn't see the cars behind me.
Why?
I was watching my knee.
Oh. Why are you watching your knee?
Yeah, it's because my mirror wasn't adjusted properly. It must have got hit.
Oh.
Somebody bumped into it.
Or it's not screwed properly.
No, they have play on these ones. Oh, at nighttime you'll see flames coming out of there. One of these nights when it's nice, we gotta go down to Graffiti Alley there.
Your bike's too loud for that.
Yeah, no, we won't go there that late. Like around 9 o'clock, 10, but no later than that. Yeah, I know my bike is loud.
Yeah, no.
What, did the guy move over enough for you to squeeze through?
No, I think he wanted me to rev it.
Oh.
Don't stall.
I didn't stall.
I said don't stall.
No.
You already stalled once.
Yeah, well, it was an accident. Watch that car pulling out.
I know. Don't mess.
Yeah, I know. So we always got to be careful of these dumbasses. Look how nice it looks when it's clean, that bike.
Yeah, I know. And the tires final.
Yeah, you
I gotta take those stupid things off though.
What things?
The light, the reflectors.
Oh yeah, we gotta remove them. Yeah, you should
Yeah.
wax your. I have a nice wax for your paint.
Yeah, I have to do that.
Yeah, you have to give it another wash.
I still gotta go get it an oil change.
Yeah. And I think we're doing Anthony's on the weekend. Oh, you should call that guy up, Champion. Book it in for a dyno. I'll call tomorrow and see if I can get both bikes in at once. It'll be nice if he can do them while we're there. Oh, you don't want to see him do a dyno?
I think it's gonna take a while.
Yeah, mine, because he has to send in the ECU to get jailbroken.
Yeah, they all have to.
Yeah, but yours, I think he has the program for it already.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying you have to. I think it takes longer than just like an hour. I'm not sure. Gonna have to switch to the left lane.
Are we swinging in this lane?
Yeah, I said we have to switch here.
Okay, I'd lock. This lady's doing the speed limit, 50.
Well, if I wasn't being recorded right now, I'd be all the way down there, but
Only Antoine would be doing all this lane splitting.
huh?
I said Antoine would be doing all the lane splitting.
I would too, but I'm on video right now, so I'm not doing it.
Oh, yeah. That's right, because it's illegal here in Canada to do.
And I'm gonna get yelled at.
From who?
What do you mean from who?
Not from me. Oh, Mom, yeah, I forgot. Where's your video camera?
Not recording my video.
How do you videoing?
I'm not videoing right now.
I thought you said you're videoing.
Yeah, then you said let's go for a ride, so we're just riding. Trying to think about that.
Oh, we could have went down here. Were we making a right or we going straight? You want to turn?
Oh, come on. You know.
Oh, good, you made it. I was just about to tell you a car's coming. Making a lot of noise.
And
Said your cardo's crackling.
oh,
It's coming through the speakers.
right down the middle. You see that?
What was that?
You see right down the middle? Ooh, that wind.
Yeah. somebody's listening to some music. Watched. There's a couple cars coming through. Yeah, good. And now you got that fucking 18-wheeler. The tanker!
Left blinkers on.
Yeah, I don't know which way you're going, so that's why I slowed down.
I know, I'm just driving straight.
I just did a little stretch there because usually there's no cops there because there's too many bridges. Here's York University.
Watch all the...
Holy cow, this road here. You don't pay enough taxes to get it fixed. Isn't this one of the biggest campuses around York? Yeah, it must be. This is all York University. The sand on the floor here. Nice signal there. You should go by the dorms and make a lot of noise. drove through this whole campus before.
What?
Is this the dorms here? Or housing? Yeah, I don't think I ever came down this road. football stadium. But indoors? Because I see the outdoor one right here in front of us. Nope, this is Science Research Center. Oh, there's the stadium. I see it now. The one right here in front with all the lights. This is the stadium here. Now, everybody, here you got to see York University. So did I. Oh, we're not going around anymore? I have no idea what you're pointing at, but okay. Yeah. We're going east. Sorry, west. Hortons. When you see a tunnel, you gotta burp it. What was that? Can you hear me? In your own video? Okay, I got you. I can't hear you. Before you were just crackling left, right, and center.
Group connection lost.
It says group connection lost. I heard you before. Can you hear me now? I can't hear you talk. Maybe your microphone is disconnected. Gotta pull over and then we'll look at the mic. It could be disconnected. Because all before it was just crackling really bad and then it stopped, so it could be our microphone. There goes a little crack again. just pull in the plaza here. There we go. Close the helmet. Am I recording? And I don't know. Yep, I see the light flashing. It would be nice if I can hear the camera on the car though, that is beeped on.
What?
I said it would be nice if I could hear when the camera's on the car though.
Oh, no. I think you have to connect it through Bluetooth to
Yeah,
your camera.
But Cardo doesn't, what's it called? The GoPro doesn't have a connection for it.
Yeah, they do. They have a Bluetooth setting.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
And it goes right to my Cardo?
Yeah, because that's the new way people are connecting their Cardos to their Bluetooth to get,
Yeah, so I need the new GoPro then.
I don't know what number it starts at, but there's a number it starts at.
Yeah, this is the 11 I have. It doesn't have that feature. I think it has it on the new one now.
My Insta360.
Yeah, your Insta360 has it.
Yeah.
This guy is riding right up my ass. Now he's going to be driving really slow for a while. Oh, he got tired to stay behind me. That asshole there wants to ride up people's asses. Look, right up the Tesla's ass.
Wait, so you couldn't even hear me when we were at York?
No, I heard a bit. And then you were just pointing after.
Oh, as I was saying, that's where the football stadium. That's what the old football stadium was.
No, because well, all I heard was a lot of crackling. Remember I was saying crackling? And then your microphone went right off. Where, do you see a cop? Oh, right there in front. No, that's not a cop.
Right there. Going that way.
Where? Oh, that way.
Right there.
I can't see him.
Yeah, I was saying that's the football stadium. That's that.
Oh, no.
That's this. That's
I
that.
missed
You're like, oh, we're turning. I'm like, yeah, because over there's a subway, so there's nothing to see.
Okay. Well, I missed all that.
Did you turn your lights on your bike?
No.
The purple?
Say that again? Yeah. You like purple?
Yeah.
I don't know. I was going to do red because it matches the bike, but then...
Did you just turn them on now?
Yeah, I just turned them on now when we were stopped at the lights. I said, oh, let me turn them on.
Oh.
It's getting a little darker. I haven't seen them at nighttime yet. Oh, the Camry wanted to race you.
He's not going to beat me.
No, no kidding. He just sped up and that's about it.
This guy likes it. Oh, he likes my bike, not yours.
I know. Because it's loud.
Because I revved at him and he smiled at me.
Uh-huh.
What the hell? What the hell? It's like an armor truck.
There's a what truck?
Army truck.
Oh, nice. The cadets are out. They couldn't protect Canada if their life depended on it. Yeah, the light was green.
What?
The light was greenish red. I'm colorblind. I only see green all the time.
Everybody turns right and lefts on wrong ways.
Yeah.
It's Woodbridge.
Yeah, I know, but still, shouldn't. Are you going straight?
No.
Oh, okay. Everybody goes straight and they fly through all those little corners up there. Oh, okay, we're making a left.
Yeah.
Does your signals work?
No.
Oh, okay. Hey, if Colton's home, go red bomb him by his house.
Okay.
Only if you see his truck in the driveway. Oh, I see Dave's truck is home. Yeah, I don't see Colton.